What's up, everybody? I wanted to invite you just to listen to this. This is a new program that I've been creating over many years on how to train multiple people with multiple situational frustrations, let's call them. Busy job, like nonstop hours, lots of family, limited equipment. I've been trying to, how do I fit it all in to a program? So I created Functional Flex. Here's the Flex 5, I call it. You flex your cardiac muscle, aka your heart muscle. Got to flex it if you want to get strong and you want to have a strong ass heart moving forward. You got to flex your lungs, your cardiovascular system. You need to have the capacity to do work. The more you have this capacity, work is cakewalk, and you can start challenging yourself and you get more fit, more fit, more fit. And that also leads to more food. But if you don't do these things, you shouldn't eat food. Literally just eat protein. That's about it. Flex your skeletal muscle. The muscles all over our body are skeletal. You need to flex these. If you don't flex them, you lose them, right? The flexibility to increase mobility. If you don't do the mobility, you're going to have tight tendons, tight everything, more pain. You can't move. And then as adults, we get so pissed off when we can't do specific exercises. We literally want to say, fuck it, and throw in the towel. Oh, I can't do that. Because we used to be able to. And we still can if you get your mobility on par. We need to be mobile. The more mobile you are, the more muscle you are able to sculpt and use and make it burn more calories for you to burn fat. Okay? Flexibility of choosing. This is the most important of what workout to fit your schedule that day. This is the big one. This is an example of a program. Okay, chest and back. You've done it in A90, but it's not going to be 4 exercise giant sets. Okay, what we're going to do here is you're going to have a warm up. Every workout has a warm up. It is not to be fatiguing. It's not to be tiring. It is not to be anything. It is just to get your joints and get your nervous system, everything connected to tell your brain, I am about to do some movement. Get ready. Those that skip warm up, they usually get injuries. They're usually texting me, I'm hurt, I did this, I'm hurt. They skip the warm up and they just jump right into strength training. And that is not how you do things. All right. So in functional flex, you're always going to have a warm up. You're going to have a strength part. You're going to have a sculpt, a volume part. You're going to have a conditioning part in all your workouts. This is the cool part about the flexibility component and me as your coach. You will be able to say, Chad, the day before, always the day before, not the day of, only if it's in an emergency. The day before you say, you know what, I have a massive day tomorrow. I do not think I'm going to be able to fit all this in. These workouts are all under an hour. I need some help. What can I do? And I'll be like, what are our goals? Okay, our goals are to burn some fat. I'll say, all right, how much time do you have? I have max 30 minutes. That's about it. And I'm like, okay, you're going to get the warm up in, and we're going to do conditioning. And instead of 3 rounds, I want you to do 5 rounds. And that should take you to about 20 minutes plus warm up. That's 30 minutes, you're done. This is how I help those that are busy that day. And then by doing that, that flexibility, that option, you will be able to feel that you just accomplished something and you made a win happen. Instead of saying, fuck it, I'm just going to skip the workout, right? Whatever. And then you're going to eat like you're mad, and that's overeating. We all know what happens there. Okay. Or I might say, you might tell me like, Chad, you know what? I got maybe 40 minutes. 40 minutes. I'm like, okay, get that warm up in. We're going to do sculpt, and then you're going to do the 3 rounds of conditioning, and that'll take you to 40 minutes. I will tell you what to do. If you are someone who is lacking strength, that's someone who is still can't do strict push-ups, still can't do pull-ups, still can't do really good squats. I'll say, you know what? Let's do a dose of strength and then go right into conditioning, because conditioning has sculpt volume in it. Right? Here's our push-ups. Here's our dumbbell swing press. We're using shoulders, bis, and tris, and we're using our chest and front shoulders. And then we're doing our jumping pull-ups. We're using our back. I'm still putting all the muscle groups of chest and back in the conditioning. Wicked smart dude, I am. Here's a cardio party. So cardio party. Got your warm up. Please do the warm up on cardio party because people just like to jump in and then they tweak their neck or they tweak their knee. You're looking at someone who's done it. Me. Okay, so cardio party. Here's your conditioning. Okay, here's an A series. You have 30 minutes to do both. It's an AMRAP. So some of you, I'm going to make you get 4 of this no matter what. You must do 4 rounds and you rest 60 seconds after each round. Okay? 20 calorie burn on any cardio machine you like. Right? I put subs down below, down here. If you want to run or sled drag or something like that, that'll be a talk between you and me before the workout happens. You need to have a watch and a calorie tracker so you can count your 20 calories. Then you go into 5 hip smashers, 10 dumbbell curl press, 12 push press. These should be challenging, but they should not kick the shit out of you because why? It's a cardio party. It's not an annihilation party. Get your heart rate up, challenge the cardiovascular system. That's what we're training here. Right? So you do 4 rounds, then you rest your 60 seconds, you go right into the B. With the time remaining in the 30 minutes, whatever that took you to do, say you've got 10 minutes left. You owe me 15 calories, 7 drawbridge walkouts, 15 dumbbell fist twists, 7 burpee box jumps over. If these scare the shit out of you, I put the subs. Burpee step ups. You do a burpee, step up on a box, step down. A burpee box jump over is burpee, jump on a box, jump off the box, burpee, jump on the box, jump off the box. Okay? This is called sweat. This is the workout of the day. That's it. Just sweat. Just sweat. 20 minutes. 16 calories. Any way you like. Jump rope, stepper, run your stairs in your house, but have your calorie watch on. You need to know what you're doing. And then you have descending reps via rounds. Okay, you're going to do 16. Your set 1 is 12 reps of kettlebell swing and then drawbridge push-ups. That's 1. You go back to 16 calories, 10 kettlebell swings, 10 drawbridge push-ups. Go back to 16 calories, 8. Bum, bum. 6. Bum, bum. If you're not done 20 minutes, you do 4. Bum, bum. Got me? 2. Bum, bum. But you should be in 20 minutes do this because I've done this workout. Very good, fun, sweaty workout. You can do this in a hotel gym. You can do this anywhere. That's a cool thing about functional flex. Okay, moving forward. Here's sculpt volume. Let's say you're like, Chad, I just want to make some shoulders. I want some nice arms. I want to look good. I want to feel good. I don't really want to do the conditioning today. I'll be like, sculpt volume, baby. Get that warm up in. Do sculpt volume. And there's all your exercises. All the videos. You know how it is. Rest 40 seconds between supersets. Rest 60 to 90 seconds when completed. Why do you rest 60 to 90? You have to regenerate ATP. ATP helps you fire muscle so you can have high quality sculpt volume sets. You can't always be go, 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 go. You have to let your muscles rest, use carbs, regenerate, use ATP, lift. Okay? And then I have the sets, 3 to 4. It's up to you. You want to do 4 sets? Do 4 sets. You want to do 3 sets? Do 3 sets. But these are working sets. So you're going to have to find your warm-up weights. And this is what I tell you, drop. So there's an exercise in here. It says tricep pushdowns, 3 times 10, drop 10. So you do 10 reps, nice and slow, lower the weight. Drop the weight. Do another 10 and burn it out. That's what drop means. I'm going to teach you all this stuff.